to the unboxing video of Google Pixel 3. Let's keep the phone aside for a bit. Let's check what else inside the box. Here's the SIM ejector pin. So let's start guide. Some Google Team Pixel stickers. Nice touch. A manual. I get nobody needs it. Let's check out the earphones. Okay. They are adjustable just as the Google earplugs, those wireless ones, for the variable size of ear. All I can say is it will not gonna feel very comfortable to wear. The rubber on the lid is high quality. Yeah, buttons are very tactile. You can also summon Google by pressing the black button. The cable is high quality, Type C to Type C. The perks of buying a phone without headphone jack. The Type C to USB-A connector. A charger. A fast charger indeed. It's a fast charger, 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. What else we got? Not much. That's all in the box. It feels like a completely solid built phone, just like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9, with those curves and everything. It's like there are no extra parts lurking around. Yeah, that's all for the unboxing video. I'll meet you in the next one.